Hi, good afternoon to all. Are you ready for class? Okay. All fine. I hope all are fine and safe your home. Today the first class of maths in 7th standard, chapter 1, adding angles, part 1 of the maths textbook. Always you know that what is the heading of our chapter? Adding angles. The word including what is the items or what is the syllabus of this chapter? Adding. Angles are added. One angle is given. That angle is divided into two parts and find out the sum. And simply find out the angles difference also. Just see one picture. Okay. Look at this angle. How many angles? First angle is one angle only 30 degrees. What is the angle? Well, form an angle. All of you forward that already studied the previous year. Then two lines are joining or meeting at a point that time form an angle. What are the main parts of angle? Angle have two arms and one vertex. Okay. Remembering that? Then two lines meeting at a point that time form an angle. Next one, what are the main parts of angle? Vertex and arms. How many arms? Two arms and one vertex. Next one, joining angles. One angle already given, 30 degrees. Next one, another angle also joining, that is 45 degrees. How can get that angle? In 6th standard, first lesson, we are doing that using set square. One angle is 30 degree drawing. After one more angle, that which set square is using, two sides is equal. That set square is using for joining and two angles drawing. Okay, remember it? Next one, that first topic is joining angles. In joining angles, one angle 30 degree already given and another angle 30 degree, one set square, that is smallest part is 30 degree. You have instrument box. Do you look at it? 30 degree. Next one, another angle, two sides is equal. That set square is 45 degree. The joining time, that point there, take and put that at the starting point of the angle. That time you got a one angle. What is there have two angles together. What is the sum of the angle ABC? What is the DAB? What is the sum of DAB? What is the sum? 30 plus 45 is equal to 30 plus 45 is equal to 75. Okay, understood? Joining angles. Joining angles. At the time of joining two angles, well, we got one large angle. What is the measure of that large angle? That is 75. How can we get 75? 30 plus 45. 30 plus 45. 32 times that angle is adding. Adding time got one large angle. Okay. Next one, another one. Another one. One angle is given. What is angle name? DAB. How many degree? First one is 60 degree and next one is 40 degree. Okay. What is the total? What is the total? How many? 100 degree. Okay. Next one again. Under how another angle is given. How many degree? One large angle is given. And there have two angle already. But one angle is missing. Total is given. Total is given. And one angle is total and one angle is given. How can you find out the another angle? If two angle is given, that time how can find out the large angles measure and just reverse. Total and given, total and one angle is given. How can find out the missing angle? What is the reverse of addition? subtraction. How can find out 80 degree minus 50? What is the smallest angle measure? 30 degree. Okay. So all of you understood? Which topic now we are discussing? Joining angles. Joining angles. Two angles given and find out the sum. How can we find out? Total angle is given that I want to add. Total angle is find out that I want to add. Next time, second case, the total and one angle is given. One is missing. How can find out? Total minus given angle. Total minus given angle. Okay. You got 80 minus 50 is equal to 30 degree. Now you wrote your rough book. No need to take a protractor and other things. Only scale and pencil. Just draw it. Okay. 60 degree or 30 degree. That's you know that is all acute angles, not a 90 degree. Okay. Below 90. The time that model you draw it. Now draw proper and after I give the notes that I want to do proper instruments. Okay. Next one. On both sides, the angles are both sides. Only one 90 degree, below 90 degree angles are discussed. Next one, on both sides. When a line, draw another line. Drawing another line, that time we got two sides, 180 degree angles. That time we got a 180 degree angle. So the two sides have angles. Okay. Look at the picture. What is the name of this type of angles? This type of one group of angles, one pair of angles we got now. What is the name? We are discussing already in 6th standard. What is the name? Linear pair. Okay. What is the name? Linear pair. That is the definition of linear pair. All of you forgot? Okay, but after long vacation, all of you forgot? Okay, when a line drawing in another line, that time we got a pair of angles. What is the sum of that type of pair of angles? That type of pair of angles sum is 180 degree. That is 180 degree. Not angles. That is pair of angles is called the linear pair. What's the name? Linear pair. Next one, the area. If a line drawn from another line, then the sum of the angle on either side is 180 degree. Once again, if a line is drawn from another line, then the sum of the angle on either side is 180 degree. What is the name of that angle? That pair is called a linear pair. What's the name? Linear pair. In this case, only one angle is given and find out which one is other side angle. How can find out? 180 minus given angle. 180 minus given angle. Okay, now clear? What is the linear pair? If a line is drawn from another line, if a line is drawn from another line, then the sum of the angle on either side is 180 degree. Either side is 180 degree. Either side is 180 degree. This pair is called a linear pair. What is the sum of linear pair? What's the measure of a linear pair? 180 degree. 180 degree. In this case, only one angle is given and find out the missing angle. How can find out? 180 minus given angle. How can find out? 180 minus given angle. Okay. This one. How can find out? Some angles are given. How can find out? Total angle is how many degrees? This is a linear pair. One line is joining from other two lines. How many lines? Two lines. This is a linear pair. How can find out the missing angle? One angle is missing, two angles is given. How can find out 180 minus sum of the 180 minus sum of the given angles. How can the given sum of the given angles? In this case, the other part, two angles is given. How many angles given? Two angles is given. That's why sum of the angle want to find out. After want to subtract. Okay, try. All of you try. What answer? Okay. Finish. Very simple. How can find out? 180 minus sum of the given angles. Sum of the given angles. Okay. Look at the next picture. They have not a measures. They're given two set squares. Already know that what is the measure of that set square. Okay. That middle part is missing. Middle part is missing. How many angles they have? It's the linear pair. Okay, you understood? So looking time you understood that's a straight line. What is the measure of the straight line? 180 degree. There have how many angles? Two set square. Two side is a set square. And middle part is missing. Middle part is missing. Sometimes this model have question. Okay. Okay, already you know what is the measures of the set square. Which is one set square? That the two side is equal. Which type of set square? Two side is equal. What is the measure of two side? 45, 45. Okay, one side is 45 degree. Next side, which side? Next side, what is the measure of that side? You know, that the lengthy part is 30 degree. The opposite side is 60 degree. What is the middle part? What's the total? Total is 180 degree. One is 45 degree. Second one is 60 degree. Which one is the middle part? Middle part is missing. How can find out the middle part? How can find out? 180 minus 60 plus 45. How can find out again? 180. What's 180? Linear pair. Sum of the angle. Sum of the angle. How many angles there have? 3 angles. How many angles? 3 angles. One angle is missing angle. One angle is set square 45 degree. One angle is set square 60 degree. 3 angles. Okay. How doubt? We have one linear pair. One straight line is given and divided into 3 angles. Divided into 3 angles with the help of different set squares. Okay. Different set squares. First set square measure is 45 degree. First measure is 45 degree. And middle is missing. And next part, right side is which set square? 60 degree. Which set square? 60 degree. Firstly, find out the total of 45 plus 60. 45 plus 60, how many? 45 plus 60. 105. Okay. How can find out the middle angle or missing angle? 180 minus 105. What is the answer? What is the answer? 75. Find out the total 75, 105 and 45. Find out. What is the answer you got? 180. You got answer is 180. Your answer is correct. Okay. Next one. Now how many topic now finished? First one is joining angles. One angle is joining and again one more joining. That time two angles find out the sum. That time got a large angle to show. Second case, large angle is given and one angle divided into two parts and one angle is missing. That time just reverse total angle minus given angle. That is smallest angle. Next one, linear pair. Next one is when a line when a line crossing each other. But what happened? When a line crossing the another line. Just look the notes. Among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other. How many angles formed? Among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other. The sum of each pair of nearby angles is 180 degree. And the opposite angles are equal. Okay, very good. Opposite angles are equal. One more. Among the four angles made when four angles made when two lines are cutting across when cutting across among the four angles made by two lines cutting across each other. The sum of each pair of the nearest angle or nearby angle is 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. Okay, write down this note. Just discuss some example also. Okay. When two lines are crossing across the line, how many angles formed? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many angles are formed? Two angles. Nearby angles are 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. How many angles are formed? Two angles. Four angles are formed and two angles. Nearby angles 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Just take one angle is 120 degree. One angle is 120 degree. What is the other angles measure? What is the other angles measure? Already we studied. Which one? Nearby angles are 180 degree. Nearby angles are 180 degree. 180 minus 120. And the answer 60 degree. 180 minus 120. The answer 60 degree. Okay. Second one. Nearby angles now already 180 degree. Next one. What is the second one we studied? Four angles formed. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. When happens that two lines are crossing each other. Okay, when happens that two lines are crossing each other. That time how many angles formed? Four angles formed. Nearby angles are 180 degree and nearby angles are 180 degree. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. And 180 degree and nearby angles are 180 and this one again comes up. Which type of angle is? Which type of angle is? This is a straight line. This angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. Find out the other angles. How can find out? How can find out that other angles? One angle is 90 degree. You already know. How many degree? Nearby angles are 180 degree. That time this angle also 90 degree. Next one. What is the point you studied? Already studied opposite angles are equal. All angles are 90. Opposite angle is equal. Nearby angles are 180 degree. Nearby angles are 180 degree. This is another question also. One angle is 30 degree. One angle is 30 degree. This angle is 50 degree. Okay. out other angles. Find out other angles. How can you find out? Two angles is given. Two angles is given. Find out the homework. Just find out. What you studied? When two lines are crossing each other. When two lines are crossing each other. How many angles formed? Four angles. How many angles formed? Four angles. What is the principle? Four angles formed. What is the principle? Nearby angles are 180 degree and opposite angles are equal. Opposite angles are equal. This is a revision chapter. Already studied that linear pair in 6th standard. Just revise it. Okay. If you have any doubts, just one time also I revise it. First one, what do you study? Joining angles. First one small angle, 30 degree angle is given and another angle also joining using set square. What is the total? 45 plus 30 is equal to 75 degree. Next one is a linear pair. One angle is given, one angle is given, another line is given and another line is drawn. That time one pair of angles is given. How many angles? One pair of angles. The sum of the pair is 180 degree. What is this pair? One other pair is 180 degree. One angle is given, but another angle how can find out? 180 minus given angle. 180 minus given angle. Next time the two lines are crossing each other. Four angles formed. Two angle is nearby angle 180. Opposite angle is the equal. Okay. I think all of you clear it. If you have any doubt, ask through WhatsApp. I will give your notes after some time. Okay. Thank you. Bye.